I'm just gonna show you. I'm about 200 and something pounds. This thing's perfect. I have everything on the floor right now, and this is where I want it because I'm gonna put some laser printer here, a laser cutter, CNC machine. Everything has to be a little larger. I have another table, but it's a little smaller, so I want to make sure I can fill this up, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's go ahead and build something. The beautiful thing about it is that everything's including the screws, all right? So you don't have to worry about, except for your screwdriver, you're just gonna need that. So this one has instructions, a step by step, all right? They do give you measurements of what they'd recommend, all right? How to cut them, pre-cuts, all right? All right, so I'm gonna show you, do all four of the main systems first, all right? The main stretch wood that you need, the long wood, and then you start with the actual corners. All right, so we're done with these two. We still need the legs. All right, I set up the legs already. What I did, I was 30 inches, all right, on the legs, because I'm gonna put actual wheels on it so I could make this whole bench move. All right, my recommendation is to pre-make the holes, all right? And another thing that I found out, these screws run a lot, so I end up using different types of screws, but you got to get your own head too. Look at this centerpiece in there. I put stabilizations because it's an 80-inch long table. I was able to do this with a lot of spare wood, except for the top. The top is a little longer than expected, but I'm just going to show you. I'm about 200 and something pounds. This thing's perfect. So as a workbench, as maybe you want storage, I could add more storage space if I want. I'm gonna actually probably add some drawers down the line, but I added wheels, stabilization right in the center. If I want to do a cross beams for heavier weight, I can do that, but this is something basic. I don't care what happens to the wood. It's replaceable. This is replaceable, so throughout time it gets burned, damaged, or burn, or anything happens, replaceable. So I added wheels, made the whole thing easy to move. I put brakes in the back. Wheels were inexpensive. I added different screws. That's the only thing I went with, more of the star screws, because the other ones couldn't handle it.